How to use egg whites to take care of yourself and look great. Eggs are one of the most widely eaten foods worldwide, thanks to the essential minerals and protein they contain. As you know, the egg is divided into two parts, the yolk and the white. While most of the nutrients are in the yolk, the whites are great for your health and beauty. Egg whites are used in all kinds of delicious recipes. They are also used as a beauty product, excellent in both hair and face masks. If you have some leftover egg whites from breakfast, here we'll tell you the best and healthiest ways to use them. Ways to use egg whites. They are known for being an astringent and having the ability to reduce redness. They are also an excellent anti-inflammatory for your skin. That's why there are so many ways to use it in the beauty realm, which actually end up being much more effective than other very costly treatments. The great thing about using egg whites in your beauty routine is that they are extremely low cost and easy to find. And these solutions are very effective and easy to make and apply. They are useful in so many ways. Exfoliant. You can use egg whites as an exfoliant. They help remove contaminants on your skin as well as dead skin cells. Acne. Besides being anti-inflammatory, egg whites are very good at reducing redness. If you have acne, they are an effective way to help control it, make it less noticeable, and even eliminate it altogether. Acne comes from excessive amounts of oil in your skin, leading to the creation of pimples. They then get infected and seriously affect your skin. It usually appears in adolescence but can persist into adulthood and cause complications beyond puberty. Using egg whites will help regulate oil production in your skin. This will also help it get back to its normal, healthy pH. As oil levels go down, it makes it harder for pimples to form. Under eye bags. Because of their decongestant powers, egg whites can significantly improve the appearance of under-eye bags. Another plus is that they also help lighten dark circles caused by tiredness, stress, or a bad night's sleep. What do I do? We recommend applying the egg white directly to the area with a cotton ball or Q-tip. Let sit for 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat at least twice a week. Pause. Another fabulous use of egg whites is reducing or minimizing the size of your pores. Thanks to the protein in them, they help firm up flabby skin. They act as a toner and give you smaller looking pores. Moisturizer. Egg whites help your skin get rid of impurities, but instead of being abrasive, they actually nourish and hydrate. Because of how much protein they contain, they are excellent at naturally moisturizing your face and preventing dryness. If you combine them with honey and olive oil, you get a highly nutritious and moisturizing mask. Egg white face mask. Now that you know about all the amazing uses of egg whites, it's time to see how to take advantage of all of their properties. Today we bring you a super easy and budget-friendly recipe to treat your face. It is anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams, 20 drops of almond oil. Preparation: the egg white with electric beaters or by hand, as you prefer. Once beaks form, add the honey along with the almond oil. Mix well until everything is combined. Application: it's best to apply it to a clean, dry face. Let the mask sit for 20 minutes. After this time, rinse off with warm water and repeat about 2 times a week. Yeah.